In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a draft campaign on Mailchimp. This process is quick and straightforward, ensuring you can manage your campaigns efficiently without any hassle. Let's dive right in and take you through each step you'll need to follow. First things first, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account, head over to their website, enter your login credentials and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is the control center for all your email marketing activities. It's user friendly, but if you're new to it, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, you'll need to navigate to the campaigns section, look over to the left sidebar, and there you'll find a tab labeled campaigns. Give that a click. This tab is critical because it houses all your campaign related activities, whether they're emails you've sent, are working on, or drafts you plan to send later. Now it's time to find your draft campaign. Scroll through your list of campaigns until you locate the one you wish to delete. You can tell which campaigns are drafts because they're clearly labeled with the word draft right next to them. This labeling helps quickly distinguish drafts from those that have already been sent or scheduled. Once you've found the campaign, focus your attention on the right side of the screen. You'll see a drop down menu there. Click on it to open up a list of options. This menu gives you a few different actions you can take, such as editing or previewing your draft. For now, we're going to select the delete option from this menu. After clicking delete, you'll notice that a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is an essential step in preventing accidental deletions. The pop-up will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the draft campaign. If you're sure, go ahead and click on delete to finalize the process. Keep in mind, once you've deleted a draft, it's gone for good and there's no way to recover it. So double check that you no longer need it before confirming. A few important notes to remember. You can only delete campaigns that are still in draft status. If you have campaigns that have already been sent out, you won't be able to delete them. However, you do have the option to archive sent campaigns if you want to clean up your dashboard without losing the records. Archiving can be incredibly useful if you want to keep your campaign list tidy while still having access to these older entries if needed. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to remove unwanted draft campaigns from your Mailchimp account. Follow these steps and you'll be managing your email marketing like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more Mailchimp tips and tricks.